The rustic revival for the modern contemporary home continues to rise in popularity, proving that the perfect balance between timeless charm and bold industrial character can be forged by blending salvaged steel with reclaimed wood, especially when it comes to creating striking, profitable centerpiece designs for the holiday season and beyond. As creators, we are stepping into a world where discarded materials become the foundation for eco-luxury statement decor, where every centerpiece tells a story of transformation. Wood that once held up barns or broken furniture, steel that once served in machinery or old construction sites, now reborn as sculptural, warm, handcrafted works of art. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. In this project, the goal is not only to craft something visually stunning, but to reveal the emotional and commercial power of merging rugged materials with contemporary design sensibilities. Working with reclaimed wood brings texture, soul, and authenticity to each piece. Every grain, knot, and weathered line carries the visual poetry of age and use. Adding salvaged steel introduces contrast, strength, and a modern edge that appeals deeply to today's design lovers who crave pieces that feel both rustic and refined. By bringing these materials together through thoughtful joinery, careful planning, and artistic finishing techniques, we create centerpieces that feel fresh, relevant, and profitable in markets increasingly demanding sustainable decor with real character. As we dive into crafting these industrial-chic centerpieces, the beauty lies in the versatility of the concept. Reclaimed wood offers warmth and organic shape, while salvaged steel provides structure and sophistication. This duality resonates strongly with modern buyers, especially during the holidays when shoppers seek meaningful, distinctive decorations that communicate craftsmanship, sustainability, and luxury without the environmental guilt that often accompanies mass-produced items. The creation process itself becomes an exploration of how opposites attract. Soft, tactile wood set against cool, sleek metal, warm hues blended with industrial tones, rough surfaces highlighted by polished details. This combination allows makers to create centerpieces that stand out, capturing attention not only in home decor settings, but also in craft markets, online shops, boutique retail spaces, and interior design showrooms. Each piece becomes a celebration of design evolution, where the old is reborn into something surprisingly contemporary, and the contemporary gains depth from the nostalgia and imperfection of the salvaged materials. This approach goes beyond basic crafting. It elevates the maker into an artisan whose work embodies innovation, eco-consciousness, and artistic storytelling. One of the most compelling aspects of these steel and wood centerpiece designs is how they allow creators to showcase innovative joinery techniques that combine durability with artistic flair. Whether using exposed metal brackets, welded steel frames, hidden hardware, or dowel-based wood joinery, the craftsmanship becomes a visual feature that enhances the overall design rather than hiding behind the scenes. The joinery becomes part of the aesthetic language, giving the centerpiece architectural presence. Finishes also play a crucial role, burnishing the metal for a matte industrial look, brushing it to create visual movement, or even leaving natural patina intact depending on the story you want the piece to tell. Meanwhile, reclaimed wood might be lightly sanded to preserve its aged texture, oiled to deepen the color and highlight grain, or charred using traditional techniques like shu sugi ban for a dramatic contemporary effect. These finishing decisions bring artistic identity to the work and help elevate the design from simple decor to true eco-luxury craftsmanship that buyers are willing to pay premium prices for. The transformation of discarded materials into show-stopping centerpiece decor also taps into a powerful cultural shift. Modern consumers are increasingly drawn to sustainable, upcycled products that align with their values and lifestyle choices. They want items with history, soul, and environmental purpose, pieces that don't just decorate a table but spark conversations, evoke emotion, and express individuality. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. A steel end wood centerpiece created from salvaged scraps becomes a symbol of mindful living, where beauty is born from waste, and creativity becomes a form of environmental responsibility. This emotional dimension enhances the marketability of such creations, making them especially attractive during the holiday season when people are searching for meaningful gifts, celebratory decor, and hand-built pieces that represent craftsmanship over mass production. Shoppers appreciate the uniqueness of each centerpiece. No two are alike because no two pieces of reclaimed material are ever the same, and this sense of exclusivity boosts both desirability and demand. From a business perspective, these industrial-chic centerpieces offer an incredibly profitable angle for creators looking to build a sustainable income stream. Material cost is extremely low, especially when using salvaged steel offcuts, scrap metal, reclaimed boards, and discarded lumber that would otherwise end up in a landfill. The real value comes from the craftsmanship, the design narrative, and the ability to transform inexpensive resources into luxury decor pieces with high perceived value. Buyers aren't paying for wood and metal. They're investing in artistry, sustainability, and handmade quality. The low material cost combined with high market demand creates excellent profit margins, making this style of decor a smart business choice for both beginner and experienced woodworkers and metalworkers. These centerpieces also scale beautifully. Creators can offer small tabletop versions, medium-sized pieces for dining rooms or offices, or larger statement pieces for holiday displays and upscale interiors. Because reclaimed materials are widely available, production is both flexible and limitless, allowing artisans to maintain their unique style while diversifying designs to match different customer preferences. Crafting these centerpieces also elevates the maker's artistry and personal fulfillment. Working with salvaged steel and reclaimed wood requires patience, creativity, and problem-solving, the ability to see potential where others see junk. Each piece becomes an exercise in innovation, teaching creators to approach material limitations as design opportunities. A twisted metal rod might become a sculptural stand. A weathered board might provide a textured base. A rusted hinge could serve as a decorative accent symbolizing history and endurance. Through this process, artisans rediscover the joy of hands-on craftsmanship and reconnect with the deeper rhythms of making something intentionally, slowly, and meaningfully. The holidays amplify this satisfaction, as makers produce pieces that bring warmth, beauty, and personality into festive spaces, reminding homeowners that true luxury doesn't come from perfection but from purpose. Ultimately, the rustic revival expressed through steel and wood centerpiece designs represents far more than a seasonal trend. It speaks to a cultural movement that honors authenticity, celebrates sustainability, and embraces the creative transformation of forgotten materials. By merging rustic charm with modern industrial appeal, we craft decor that enriches the home while illustrating how old materials can be reborn into something extraordinary. These creations carry emotional weight, artistic value, and commercial potential, making them a powerful opportunity for makers who want to grow their craft into a profitable business. As we continue through the holiday season and into the new year, These centerpieces stand as proof that beauty, function, and profit can all emerge from the scraps we once dismissed, reaffirming that innovation thrives in the hands of those willing to see beyond the surface and breathe new life into the overlooked. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.